And today, you're presenting yourselves before these people to declare your intention of uniting your lives for the service of God and men.
These days, they feel
Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na andito na tayo sa harap ng isa't isa, sa harap ng Panginoon at sa harap ng mga mahal natin sa buhay na nangangakong magsasama at mamahalin at ang isa't isa habang buhay.
like a painting.
Kung gusto ko sa kanya yung pinararamdam niya talaga sa akin na mahal niya ako. Yun talaga ang nararamdaman ko. Kaya susuklihan ko siya ng pagmamahal ko, buong tapat at puso.
We are running free. We are running free. We are running free.
Lagi kang tatawag sa Panginoon para kung may mga problema ka
Leave the shadow.
ma-encounter, para siya laging tawagan mo para at ma-solve mo na tayo ng problema. God bless your marriage.
These lungs holding expectations and silent declarations, and island in the flood. We are running free. We are running free. We are running. The time and place is now. All this beauty we have found. Oh, it's got us rising to our feet. We are running free.
I charge you first to consider that your promises to each other are made in the presence of God. I encourage you to love and care to each other and build up one another.
This is where we're meant.
Pinapangako ko sa iyo na uunawain, iintindihin at mamahalin kita ng buong puso. Handa akong habaan ang pasensya ko para sa iyo. Bubusugin kita hindi lang sa pagkain luto ko na gustong gusto mo, pati na rin sa pagmamahal na ihahain ko para sa iyo.
We are running free. We are running free. We are running. The time and place is now. All this beauty we have found. Oh, it's got us rising to our feet. We are running free. We are running free. We are running free.
Mahal na mahal kita, Maverick. Pipiliin kita araw-araw kahit may toyo ako. Ikaw ang biyaya ng Panginoon na kailanman ay hindi ko pabayaang mawala sa akin. I love you.